Ahoy! Today, we're on a treasure hunt. But first, we need to count our gold coins to see if we have enough for a new sale. Are you ready? Let's go! 1, 2, 3. Thank you for helping me count my coins. Hi, hoy! We've already found 3 gold coins. Great work! But we need 10 to open the treasure chest. Let's keep counting. Are you ready? Shout, aye aye, Captain. All right, let's count together. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 gold coins. Hooray! We did it! Now that we have 10 coins, we can open the treasure chest. Let's count one last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooray! You be counting masters now. Thanks for helping me count today. See you next time for more pirate adventures. Yo ho ho!